Today's video is the best drone bundles for Australians in 2023. What's going on, guys? I have got a handful of drones, and in today's video I will let you know which drone you need if you're based in Australia and you're looking for the perfect drone bundle. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of drones, and these are just a few of the drones that I've reviewed and tested on the channel. If you are new around here, I have so much content, on all sorts of drones, all comparisons, tips and settings, giveaways, all sorts of fun things. So make sure to subscribe and check out all of those videos because it will help you make the decision of which drone you're looking for. But in today's video, I really want to showcase some of the best drone bundles that I've seen online, and I'm proud to announce that these drone bundles are in collaboration with the D1 store as well as myself, and I've also got a connection within those bundles with the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. It's my drone course, and it's so exciting to see it packaged in with all of these drone bundles that are available exclusively for my subscribers through the D1 store. One thing I get asked nearly every day is, Dan, what drone should I buy? You have tested all of these drones, which one should I buy? Condense it down into just a few words. And a lot of the time I want to know what the needs of the person is, why are you using the drone? What other drones have you used in the past? For most people, for a lot of people out there, I would condense it down into one answer, which is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now this drone is phenomenal. It's under 250 grams, got a fantastic 4K 60 FPS camera, 48 megapixel stills, great flight time on it. You can also capture those vertical videos, which if you're a content creator, you are going to love that feature for all of your socials. But in my bundle that I have available, it's got literally everything you will ever need for your Mini 3 Pro. If you do want to check out all of the bundles I have available through the D1 store, definitely check that link in the description below. I have a bunch of bundles. My drone course is also available over there on their website. Talking about the Mini 3 Pro, if we check out the Mini 3 Pro subscribers combo, which is exclusively available to all of my subscribers, it would cost you 2,184 Australian dollars. It's down to 1,899 Australian dollars, and this features literally everything you will need. You get yourself the Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC, so you get that awesome controller with the screen. Honestly, I would highly recommend that for a lot of people, especially people who are new into the space. Maybe you don't have a decent mobile phone. Something like the DJI RC just has you covered on all fronts. Then on top of that, in this bundle, you get yourself the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. Like I said, it's my drone course that I've put a lot of effort into making the ultimate drone course. It's got everything you need, a bunch of really cool resources that you'll have access to for life. So many sessions, 15 sessions for you to kind of get your head around how to overcome your fears, how to become a confident pilot. You'll join a community of people on Facebook as well. I'm always updating with new giveaways and new features on the drone course. So that's something that you get on top of the drone in this bundle. And then you get yourself the Fly More combo, which nets you 2 extra batteries. So you get the plus batteries, which give you 47 minutes of flight time, which is amazing. You will never run out of battery life with those 3 batteries. In this bundle, you also get a landing pad, which is always handy to have. You get yourself a CPL filter, which can be very handy in all sorts of situations. A 128 gigabyte SD card, which is great. You get yourself a car charger. You also get yourself a safety carrying case. So with the Fly More combo, you do get a bag, which is a decent bag. It's this one here, really decent bag, does the job. But in this bundle, you also get yourself a hard carrying case. So it's going to make sure that your drone is protected nicely inside of that case. A nice additional offering there. Get yourself a screen protector for the DJI RC, lanyard bracket, controller yarn. There's just so much in here. Propeller guards. You just get so much in this bundle here. It's honestly the perfect bundle for anyone. And like I said, everyone asks me, Dan, what drone should I get? Come on, man, you must have an answer. For most people, it is the Mini 3 Pro. That is, at this time, at the time of me making this video, it can't really be beaten. But then there are people out there that might not want to spend that extra money on the Mini 3 Pro. So I do have bundles on the D1 store's website for the Mini 2 SE, which is their latest mini drone offering. It's only 2.7K, and I say only, it's still very usable footage, great flight time and all that kind of stuff. So it's a stable all-round all-around drone. If you don't want to spend too much money, get yourself the Mini 2 SE. Then we've got the Air 2S, which is a little bit larger than both the Mini 3 and the Mini 2 SE, so you can kind of see size difference there. I've got comparisons with all of these drones as well if you want to dive even deeper on my channel. But the Air 2S is a great upgrade again. You're getting a 5.4K camera system on here. Really stable drone. One of my favorite drones, and still is something that I enjoy to fly. So the Air 2S is a nice upgrade again. And I've got a killer, really killer, like such an awesome combo bundle, whatever you want to call it, on the D1 Store's website for the Air 2S as well. And then the piece de la resistance, we've got the Mavic 3. Again, phenomenal drone. We've got the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro. I've actually got a bundle for the Mavic 3 Pro, which gets you the 3 camera systems. And that's a really, really solid drone. Like one of the best drones for most people out there, unless you go to like the Inspire range. Like the Mavic 3 has seemed to have taken over the Phantom spot, which previously it was like the Mavic, then it went to the Phantom, but the Phantom seems to have disappeared. The Mavic 3 has kind of taken that spot. It is the prosumer high-end drone for a lot of people. So if you are looking for the Mavic 3 Pro, then I do have a subscribers combo again. That will set you back 4,299 Australian dollars. That comes with the DJI RC. You get the drone course, you get all of those accessories and a few extras as well, because it is that higher end offering. Great price though, considering what you're getting with the 3 camera systems on the Mavic 3 Pro. And like I mentioned just before, the Mini 2 SE, I also have a subscribers combo as well for that one. That's only 865 Australian dollars. It would be $1,070, but with the subscribers combo, you get a really good discount. So if you don't want to spend too much, but you want to get a kit that gives you everything, the extra batteries, the landing pad, you know, you get all those extras as well as the drone course as well, the bag, everything. That's a really great deal at 865 Australian dollars. There will definitely be a few different types of people watching this video. So people who have never owned a drone before, who are considering getting something. So for you who are watching in, who have been listening, who have been watching some of my other videos, you know, maybe you don't take drones overly seriously right now, you want to save a bit of money, it's just a new hobby to you, then the Mini 2 SE might be the one for you. You know, you're not spending crazy amounts of money, but with that combo, you're getting a bunch of accessories, batteries, a bag, you're getting the drone course to get your head around how to become a fearless drone pilot. It's just a really great starting point for a lot of people. If you do want to take it a little bit more seriously though, you know, maybe you've been saving up for a while and you've been waiting for the right drone for you, then honestly, the Mini 3 Pro is pretty much the perfect drone for most people. You know, it's such a small compact drone, but it has so much going on, and even the higher end drones can't do that portable video option or portable photo option. The 48 megapixel still, it's got like an f-stop of 1.7, so great in low light. It's got dual ISO as well, so great in all sorts of lighting conditions. It's just a well-constructed all-round drone that I absolutely love. It's like honestly my go-to that I'll fly pretty much all the time, unless I'm doing videos on other drones. Like this is the one I take with me when I go traveling, exploring with my partner. Like this is the one I take with me. So Mini 3 Pro is probably great for most people, so that bundle could be the right one for you. But then, like I said as well, you know, the Mavic 3 and the Air 2S are great upgrades. Maybe you've got a mini drone, maybe you have like a Mini 2 or a Mavic Mini, maybe you've got a Mini SE, you know, who knows what you've got. Maybe you've started out and you want to upgrade the Air 2S or the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro, whichever one you want to go for. Really, really great drones to get into. So if you know those bundles, maybe they might not be right for you. Maybe you want to get something a bit different, even though, you know, those bundles pretty much give you everything you need. But let's say, for example, you know, you want to get a different drone that isn't in those bundles. Make sure to reach out to the D1 Store, sales@d1store.com.au. Mention what you're looking for and they'll be able to help you out with the best deal they can. And also, if there's anything else on their website that you might be interested in, whatever accessory item that is available through their site, then you can use the code DansTube to save some money over there as well. So check out the combos, send them an email if you've got any questions, if you want to kind of inquire about some different combos that they can set up for you. And also, like I said, use that code if you want anything else. So yeah, definitely worth your time. These are the best combos available for Australians right now. The D1 Store is the trusted Australian retail store for DJI products. They have everything you need, great customer service. It's a really great offering, and I'm so excited to be partnered with them and having the drone course embedded into those bundles as well. It's just a really nice collaboration, nice partnership between the two of us. So yeah, if you're looking for any support, reach out to myself, reach out to the D1 Store as well, like I said, and we'll help you make the right decision regardless of what your budget is and regardless of what you're looking for. There will be something out there for you. So thank you so much for watching. I will chat to you in the next one, and peace.